The Share Map button allows you to collaborate with others by showing them your map. Let's say I want someone to locate a water line in a certain area. First, I will only turn on the layers I want him to see. For example, I only want my water lines layer visible. Then, I'm going to use the markup tool to indicate the area I would like to be located. So I'm just going to circle this area here. I can then use the measure button to approximate distance for him. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just enough so he can get the general idea. Now he can see everything he needs to know on my map to locate the water line. To share this map with him, I'm going to click the Share Map button. It will create a link that I can send to him. I then click on this copy button to copy the link. Then, paste the link into an email to him. You can add specific instructions or notes, and send it. On the receiving end, if he clicks this link, he will only be able to view the layers and notes that I've sent him. While he can zoom out and see the rest of that layer, he cannot change or delete information. That is how to use the Share button. I hope this is helpful.